ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ಮಹಾಭಾರತಮು 762nd ಡೇ. ಓಂ ಅಸ್ಮದ್ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಕೃತ್ಯ ನರಂ ಚೈವ ನರೋತ್ತಮಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ಮಹಾಭಾರತಮು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ವಂ, ವನಪರ್ವಂ ಆರ್ ಅರಣ್ಯ ಪರ್ವಂ, 27th chapter. Sota Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja, in Dvaita Vanam all the Pandavas are living. One of those days, all of them were talking to each other while moving to tears, remembering all of their troubles. At that time, Priya cha Darshaniya cha Pandita cha Pativrata Adha Krishna Dharmarajam Idam Vachanam Abravit. Draupadi Devi, the one who is most beautiful and such a great learned woman, and great chastity she maintains. Such Draupadi Devi saying to Dharmaraju like this, O Dharmaja, Duryodhana is cruel. He is a sinner. He is not at all regretting after sending us to this Vanavasam. He is not feeling bad at all. After you, me and all of us sent to this Vanavasam with only few, whatever the clothes that we are wearing, he is not regretting. He is not feeling bad at all. O Dharmaja, you are such a great person. You are an embodiment of Dharmam. And that Duryodhana said so many bad words to you. His heart is like a stone, like a iron. And now you are sent into the forest. You are the one who always deserved to enjoy all the pleasures, but you were sent into the forest, and Duryodhana along with his brothers enjoying all the pleasures there in the kingdom. O Dharmaja, when you have taken Naravastras and wore them and coming into forest, at that time Chaturnameva Papanam Asram na patitam tada. Only 4 persons, the tears did not come out from their eyes. Duryodhanasya Karnasya Shekunescha Duratmanaha Durbhratustasya Chograsya Rajan Dushasanasya cha. Duryodhana, Karna, Shekuni, Dushasana. Only from these 4 people's eyes tears did not come out when you were coming into forest. But rest of everybody moved to tears. Like that, Draupadi saying to Dharmaraju. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana 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 Sriman Narayana Narayana Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.